Hello and welcome back to the Discovery Workshop ASMR, and today I'm doing a short video unboxing of this Phoenix eBird, and yeah, it's a little ornithopter, so gonna be having a look at it, and the next video on this will be a where I do a maiden flight, test it out. I've got another ornithopter. I've got a couple other ornithopters to do some more professional flights with. But as a novice, you know, I yeah, need practice before I can make those sort of more professional style videos. And, yeah, sometimes the tail gets wrecked in these on the mail delivery. So, but it looks like I'm lucky with this one that didn't happen this time. So, but I appear to have something stuck trying to get this out. Yeah, that appears to be caught. Okay, this isn't going to be the easiest. Okay. There we are. Got it. That's a little eBird ornithopter. So this was like about $30 on AliExpress. So I'll include a link in the description where you can get this. Just a little cheap ornithopter, just to get some practice with. Oh, yeah. It's got a little thing I've got to snip. Just got to snip that off. Yeah. And there we are. And it came with a little thing for charging there, so I gotta plug that in and charge it. So I'll just fish out the transmitter and see if I have a bit of life in it. Sometimes the batteries have a bit of life in them. Yeah, I'll just get some batteries in that. I think it's just double A's. It's got some kind of a little thing you press on there to get that. Easy sailing, and see if we've got any life in it soon. There's a little button there, I think you hit to turn it on. Oh, we've got life. One second. Might be just a matter of binding it. Ooh, yeah, see that? And so that's the rudder there for the tail. So we've got a little bit of life in that. So yeah, let's see if see what we get with flying that. So that's it there. So I'll just maybe see if I can do a little bit of a fly with it. Oh, that flies all right. Yeah, so I'll wrap it up here. Please like and subscribe, and over and out.